Welcome to Tallo. Today we're going to walk you through how to create your own profile on Tallo. You'll want to make sure that you are using the QR code or URL link given to you by your school, teacher, or counselor. And by doing so, you will automatically be connected with your school. For this recording, you can see that when we sign up, we will automatically connect with Kentucky Virtual Academy. Click on Sign Up with Email. You'll enter your first name, last name, email, you'll select that you're at least 13 years or older and that you agree to the terms of use and privacy policy. Next, you'll make sure you create a password that meets every requirement listed below. And click Sign Up. Success, and now we're redirecting. The first step of creating your profile is your location. It will give a detected location, or if this is not the correct location, you can enter your zip code in this box. For this recording, we'll go ahead and select the detected location and select Next. Here we'll select the education level. You can see that by default, it has already selected high school diploma or GED. We can also select some high school if we're not quite graduated yet. You can also add any training that you have. For this recording, let's select work-based training and then select Next. This is a very important step. What are your career interests? We encourage you to pick anything that interests you, even if you're not sure, because based on your interests, you'll get more recommendations for jobs, careers, courses, and other opportunities through Tallo. So let's select education, healthcare, and manufacturing, and then Next. Finally, where do you want to start? You can explore careers, further my education, get a job, or find connections. Let's select Explore Careers. And you can see over here that it says Consider Tallo your career concierge. And then select Finish. Following those simple steps has now created our Tallo profile. Here is the Home tab. You can see all the information that we have created so far. Across the top, you can see, hi Kathy, what do you want to do today? On the left-hand side, there's saved items, any applications that you have. Here's where you can create a resume and edit your settings. In the center, you'll see a community feed. Let's show you how you can make your profile even more robust by selecting the Profile tab. Let's get Tallo working for your career exploring pursuits. On your profile, we have suggested that it is recommended to create a short bio to highlight quick details about yourself. Adding your test scores, such as your ACT or SAT scores. Underneath education, because we use the QR code, you can see that we already are connected with Kentucky Virtual Academy. If you'd like to edit this further, such as adding graduation years, you can simply select the pencil icon, or if there's other schools you'd like to add, you can click the plus icon. Some optional sections which we encourage you to also complete are adding skills, any work experience you have, as well as any accomplishments. We have an area here also where if you would like to upload additional media to your profile, you can do so here. Building a robust Tallo profile will ensure that you are utilizing every key feature that we provide. Good luck and enjoy your journey on Tallo.